Welcome to our overview of common software and operating system support issues. If you work in tech support, these situations will sound very familiar. We're going to break down some of the most frequent and frustrating problems that users encounter, from slow performance to critical system errors. One of the most common complaints we hear is about a slow computer. This is often a sign of underlying, simple issues. The primary cause? The user hasn't rebooted their machine in weeks, sometimes months. A simple restart can solve a host of performance problems. The other major culprit is having dozens of Chrome tabs open, which consumes almost all the available RAM. Encourage users to limit their tab count or close the browser when not in use. Next up, let's talk about those frustrating Outlook connection problems that can grind a user's productivity to a halt. Symptoms often include a quote disconnected status, emails getting stuck in the outbox, or the search function completely failing to work. The most reliable fix for these intermittent connection issues is usually rebuilding the user's Outlook mail profile. The blue screen of death, or BSOD, is the scary one for users and often signals a serious system halt. Users frequently believe they broke the computer themselves, leading to panic. Reassurance is key here. From a technical perspective, a BSOD is most commonly caused by a bad driver update or, in more serious cases, failing RAM hardware. For remote workers, VPN connectivity is essential, but it frequently presents a unique set of support challenges. Often, home Wi-Fi settings or overly aggressive firewall rules are blocking the necessary VPN protocol, preventing connection. Another common issue is an expired security certificate on the user's machine, which requires an update or renewal to restore VPN access. Understanding these common issues helps streamline your support process. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more IT support insights.